What in the world is the Enneagram? My name is Daniel, and in this video I and my co-host Samantha will be answering this question. Be sure to stick around to the end to find out the Enneagram number that is the most smart and attractive, and you can watch with confidence. We offer a 100% money back guarantee if you don't like this video or my jokes. It may help you to know that this video is broken into 3 sections: definition and the 9 types, heads up, and how to find your type. Let's get started. The Enneagram is defined by Oxford Languages as a 9-sided figure used in a particular system of analysis to represent the spectrum of possible personality types. Huh? What? Let me try it again.
Oxford Languages el Enneagram como una figura de 9 lados utilizada en un sistema particular de análisis para representar el espectro de posibles tipos de personalidad.
There, that is better. You also may be familiar with the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, Big 5 Personality Test, or DISC assessment. The Enneagram is often placed into these personality assessment categories. A great quote from the book Personality Types by Rizzo and Hudson states, "All of us are looking for answers to some of life's most difficult problems. We may well express it in different ways, but at some common human level we all are seeking a way to lead richer, more fulfilling, and grateful lives, and to help others do the same." While the Enneagram does not have all the answers, it can help us identify how and why so many people often go wrong and bring unhappiness and various kinds of destructiveness on themselves and others. Pages VI. I now turn it over to Samantha, my co-host.
Thanks, Daniel. All humans, and I am assuming that you are a human and not hiding your tail and antenna, fit into one of the following 9 Enneagram types as described by the Enneagram Institute. Here are the 9 types listed in alphabetical order. Enneagram Type 1 is the reformer, purposeful, principled, and perfectionistic. Say that 3 times fast. Enneagram Type 2 is the helper, generous, people-pleasing, and possessive. Enneagram Type 3 is the achiever, competitive, driven, and image-conscious. Enneagram Type 4 is the individualist, expressive, dramatic, and temperamental. Enneagram Type 5 is the investigator, perceptive, innovative, and secretive. Enneagram Type 6 is the loyalist, engaging, responsible, and suspicious. Enneagram Type 7 is the enthusiast, spontaneous, energetic, and scattered. Enneagram Type 8 is the challenger, self-confident, decisive, and confrontational. Enneagram Type 9 is the peacemaker, receptive, complacent, and resigned. The Enneagram symbol may look intimidating, but don't let it scare you. It is also not a satanic symbol or part of the Illuminati. Haha.
Before we share with you how to find your Enneagram number, I want to give you a heads up on a few things. Know that finding out your type may be a non-event for you, or it may blow your mind. People have mentioned that discovering their type made their whole life make sense, like it did for the creator of this channel. Or, you may be like, meh, not a big deal. As you read the descriptions, note not everything in the description of your basic type will apply to you. You are not a copy. You are unique. The Enneagram number ranking is not significant. A larger number is no better than a smaller number, and they are not in order from first place to last place. It is just a number, nothing more or less. So Enneagram number 1, you are not necessarily number 1. Sorry, no type is inherently better or worse than any other. Each type has unique assets. Each has unique liabilities. Use the Enneagram for growth. Don't use the Enneagram to justify bad behavior or habits. Don't be that guy. Nobody likes a doofus, nincompoop, or twirlhead. If that is you, stop it. The idea is to use the Enneagram to become your best self. Your Enneagram number does not change over time. You can be a healthy or unhealthy version of yourself, but your number remains the same. 8675309. Wait, not that number. Back to Samantha, where she will share with you 3 ways to discover your Enneagram number.
Thanks, David. Intrigued as to your type? Here are the 3 basic ways to figure out your Enneagram number. Number 1. Figure it out yourself by reading. There are several books and helpful websites listed in the description. Number 2. Take a free or inexpensive online quiz. Links also in the description. Number 3. Have an Enneagram coach or expert help you determine your type. And here is a bonus tip. Subscribe to this channel. See, you knew I had to say something, right? This channel brings in panels and experts to help you in all areas of your life, including the Enneagram. We will share an Enneagram coach video at the end of this video once it is uploaded. Are you new to the Enneagram? Ask your questions down below. Now, as promised, the smartest and most attractive Enneagram number is yours. High five to you. You are a winner, a leader, a first-class finisher. You made it to the end card. If you want more about the Enneagram and how to win at life, watch the video that stands out the most right now, and we'll see you in a few seconds.